What's up, guys? I told you I would work out 6 days a week, and I'm here on vacation right now. And I'm not gonna lie, I woke up late, I'm tired, slept 4 hours each of the past few nights, and I really don't want to work out, but I said 6 days a week. And it's real easy for me to just say, no, I'm not gonna work out, I'm on vacation. But even if my workout's not the best, even if it isn't the workout that, I would have done if I was at my gym, just getting here and showing up was the most important part. So if there's something that you are struggling with, something that you aren't showing up with, just show up and do the minimum that you have to do and see where that wants to take you. Because right now, I actually am working out harder than I expected myself to. I just need to get here and start moving. So my message for all of you today is to start moving. Catch you all in the next one. Peace.